All right, we're looking at the futures pre-market. Get an idea for trend direction. See what we're going to trade this morning. This is the SPY ETF. We are up 3 points. Futures are up 31. Pretty much futures are up across the board. Russell 2000, which is the IWM, the NASDAQ, which is the Qs, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is the DIA, as you can see on the screen. VIX is down, SPY is up. We will be looking at calls in and around the open.